fish on. Little guy.
Sauger. Double.
Nice.
Still saugers.
They're good size ones though.
Yeah, I got a little dirty sauger too.
On the drop shot.
Yep, and I saved my leech. That's
Drop shot and a leech and a paddle tail and a jig. That's pretty much in that.
I kind of figured they'd be hanging right on that rock break. I think.
How long's your leader?
Oh, that's a really nice one.
Good fish.
Nice fish, Cody.
So that's where we want to be. That's what I'm thinking.
Do you want to help?
Nope, I got it.
That's mid-20s.
That's probably a 21 inch, maybe 20, maybe 20.
Very nice.
Right in the snout where you want it.
Right. This is a good one.
You're probably good with that one. Oh, you got a Pike?
Maybe.
Can you bring it up to the front?
You want me to take it up front?
Yeah, we got you. Is he close? Watch out for the rods.
Oh,
Might be a big Pike.
he's taking drag.
Yeah, when he's gonna run, let him run. Especially when you get him up here. This is where you lose fish right on top of the water.
There he goes again.
Just let him run, just play him.
Here he comes. There he is. Big Pike.
Just let him run, just play him. Because you got.
Here he comes. There he is. Big Pike. He's going. He didn't like that. This is crazy. Here, you got him. Nice. Thanks for that, man. Oh, wow.
Probably keep him over the side if you can.
Okay.
Big slimer.
You want to get the boat all messed up here. You ready? Yep.
He's good. You just hold him. He'll be alright.
Oh, yeah. This might be another northern.
You want to swing to your right. Here you go.
It's big. Oh, yeah. Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, that's 17, 18. Perfect for the pan. You don't keep fish, do you, Cody?
Once in a while.
Yeah.
Nice walleye. Sweet. Back you go.
He's even got the grunts.
Oh, it's a sauger. He even got the grunts.
I was like, this freaking guy's catching a whale over there. It's not as big as what it was initially.
Shrunk?
It's just an eater. He just hit pretty hard. Kind of took me off guard. I was trying to eat my Snickers bar.
Not a bad walleye.
I'd love to catch walleyes like that all day long.
All right.
that?
Yeah, this is a good one. Nice shot. Thank you.
Nice white tip.
Nice walleye. That's what we're after. Cody put us right on him. I'm not filming you landing it. No.
I was thinking that.
Oh, that's a nice walleye. Real nice walleye.
He's so good.
Good job. Okay, you want me to get a picture of that one?
Yeah. Right up here.
Really dark one.
Then give us a look.
Give us a look. Another nice one.
Dandy.
Yeah. Really nice eye.
Little chunker.
Very nice.
Bottom.
Chase it. He's got some shoulders.
You want me to net him?
Oh, I got him. There's more down there too. That's a nice one.
Oh, very nice.
They're darker over here. It's kind of cool.
Awesome.
Canadians.
Nice fish.
Being lazy. Had to frickin' make him chase it up 7 feet. Cocksucker. It's a nice solid fish.
Very nice. Under a nice sunset. Beautiful day. Lake of the Woods. Oh, perch.
Jumbo.
Big perch.
Nice.
Look at that.
You got was it a lamprey or a bite on it?
Yeah. Nice perch.
Let's get a good release of him.
Okay.
Right in the sunset.
Oh, there's more down there too. Let me know if my rod goes sliding off my chair.
Get him hold up there in the sun. Sunset.
Perfect, I'll bring him in now. Just gonna hold the camera still and then I'll try to bring it to the camera. That's cool.
Yeah.
This would be a good time for a release video too. Ouch! Let me get this out of the way.
Here, I'll Clean the wind off.